Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our Allure beauty box unboxing for the month of September. Oh, oh, okay. So the first thing is by Tarte, and it's a pair of lashes. These are the Tarte little black dress lashes. Cute, and these are obviously full-sized. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sakari Baby Facial. It's like an AHA, BHA peel kind of thing for your skin. Used once a week. I know the full size of this is like $100, so this is 0.5 ounces. So that sounds pretty good. All right, the next is another thing by Tarte, and this is the, oh, it's lash adhesive. Cool. Oh, the next thing, I actually do like this product. This is the IGK Coconut Oil Gel. It's like for lived-in hair. This is actually very nice. I think I'll actually use this today when I wash my hair. I'm sad to say I'm washing my hair today. All right, and the last thing is by MAC, and it is their Luster Lipstick in Lustering. I haven't bought a MAC lipstick in forever, but this color is very, very nice. Oh, boo. It's sheer. What the fuck? All right, I take back my excitement. Ugh. This is gonna look like I sucked on a popsicle, which is totally cute, like, if you look cute after you sucked on a popsicle, but I don't look cute after I do that, so that's fun. So the two full-size items that we got are the lashes and the lipstick, and they were $18 for the lipstick, $12 for the lashes. You know what? Go you, Tarte, for not, like, being assholes and charging people, like, $30 for fucking lashes, like a lot of other companies do. I don't know if this lash adhesive is a full size, but the full size is $9. This might be full size, I don't know. If I can find out the answer to that, I'll let you know. All right, and I'm not gonna tell you the prices for these because they're not full size, so that's irrelevant. Oh, but I was right. The full size of the Drunk Elephant product is $80. All right, so this was actually a really good box, with the exception of the lipstick, which I'm sure is gonna look crazy stupid on me. I mean, that sucks. I was really excited. That would have been a really pretty color. Why do people make sheer lipsticks? And why do they make them to be like $20? I don't understand. It's like lip balm. I don't get it. Anyway, I really don't wear lashes, but I think I'm actually gonna try these because they don't look overly crazy or thick or insane or anything like that, so I might actually give them a shot. I will definitely let you know how this is, because I mean, for 80 bucks, this shit better be amazing. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more of my videos coming up. P.S. Make sure to hit that notification bell because my big end of the year giveaway is coming up sooner than later, and I have some pretty great things to give away, so make sure you keep an eye out for that, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.